Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot for crochet. Okay, so to get started we have our tail end and our working yarn, and we're just going to make a loop, and then we're going to take our working yarn and we're going to pull that through the loop, and then with our tail end we're going to just pull that tight, and the tail end it doesn't go anywhere, it doesn't budge the loop, but when you pull on the working yarn it will pull the loop tighter, and you can adjust that as needed for your crochet hook. Okay, and that's all there's to it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.